Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Oxai.com token. Ticker symbol is Oxai, O-X-A-I. This token just got listed recently on CoinMarketCap, I believe CoinGecko as well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Oxai.com token. So Oxai.com is their official webpage. You can find that listed here on CoinMarketCap, along with their Etherscan, their Twitter's on here, Discord, Medium, GitHub, price chart, contract address, and their block explorer. So you can find the prices on here is actually not doing very well today. They're down 28.3% as of recording this video. Fully diluted market cap right now is $14,834,088. 24-hour trading volume is a little bit over $3.3 million. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the Oxai token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or their webpage. You could find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be some network fees and some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So it says the dawn of the AI era is upon us. The Oxai Web3 infrastructure protocol unlocks decentralized AI computation for any human or machine in the world without compromising data, privacy, or security. The Oxai bot puts AI-powered insights into the palms of your hand to augment your intelligence and empower you to make smarter and more informed decisions with the artificial intelligence suite. AI has the potential to add up to $13 trillion to global GDP and to create up to 133 million new jobs by 2030. We are inspired by the great potential of AI and how it can revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Oxai brings together the best of AI and blockchain technology and is built on the principles of decentralization and inclusivity. With a platform that offers powerful AI-based services, lowers the barrier to entry, and makes AI accessible to everyone and anyone. So besides that, on their on CoinMarketCap, they have the Etherscan, and it says right now they have a total or max total supply, it says, of 1 trillion tokens. They have 549 holders so far and 18 decimal places on this token. I don't like the way it looks like recently they just changed within the last couple days how Etherscan looks. I don't know if anybody else noticed that. I do not like that. They should have kept it the same. I liked it. It was easier to read before. Now I find myself looking at it like having to, squint or whatever. But anyway, so Oxai.com is their official webpage. You can find a full white paper over there as well. On their roadmap here, it says they're starting with decentralized access to artificial intelligence. So Oxai decentralizes access to AI computation, allowing anyone with an EVM-compatible wallet access to AI models in a permissionless manner. Supported chains include Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Avalanche, and Phantom. Next phase would be enable artificial intelligence to connect live to real-time data. So Oxai's CyberStream connects live feed integration and allows AI models to connect to and interact with real-time live data across Web 2 and Web 3, enabling developers, AI operators, and other users to build innovative applications which were never before possible. Also, user-friendly messenger interface. Using a familiar Telegram bot setup for interactions ensures our initial target audience will be more familiar with the onboarding process and will eliminate friction as we look to set Oxai up as a premier protocol for real-time data AI computation. The initial suite of apps is next. Our initial suite of apps will allow users to access AI computation unleashed onto real-time data using our CyberStream AI connection. Our initial AIs receive constant updating and changing information. The goal of releasing AI is these use cases within a Telegram bot to rapidly test and iterate on what users engage with the most, so we know where to focus on to enhance with on-chain computation, execution, and functionality. Available via wallet connection on Ethereum, Optimism, Polygon, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Phantom. Next, after that, we're going to have the fully decentralized and open source system. In the future, we may release the code for CyberStream connected to an open source, which will allow AI operators on the blockchain to create innovative and new applications and monetize them on the AI service marketplace. These AI operators and NFT marketplace will generate fees from the Oxai DAO and Oxai holders, and we'll have a final vision for the Oxai protocol. Then we got log interactions onto the blockchain. All interactions between users and AI uploaded on the IPFS will be full data security and privacy to be stored indefinitely, ensuring the ongoing permissionless and decentralized development of AI. Then we got AI agnostic platform next. Oxai currently interacts solely with GPT-3, but is built to be AI agnostic, and in the future AI technology processes will have multiple AI models. Then we're going to have the service NFT stores, which is pretty straightforward. They're going to have NFTs, and they're going to have the DAO involved with this as well through the protocol. Private access to public keys will be out here, and then Ox DAO governance will go into full effect in the last phase. You can read more specifically about each one of these things on their white paper and web page. You know, the Oxai bot, CyberStream AI, CyberFrog NFTs, liquidity providers. You can check out their socials on here. All sorts of stuff is available. Find their documents at docs.oxai.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.